Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Lynn here. How's everyone today? I hope you're all well. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to create this cute gift card holder in the style of a purse for Mother's Day. So here I have used some beautiful papers. I've cut out a lovely flower from a die and I've popped a little brad in there. I've used some doilies as my closure and I've also popped a little handle made from paper and these beautiful daisy chain embellishments here. And all you do is to open it up, just lift your flap like so. I have popped a couple of magnets on my little flap and underneath my flower, and there inside I have left space to write a little note or a little sentiment. And then at the other side the purse just opens up like that to reveal your gift card inside, and then that just pops back in there. And then to close it back up again, we just pull the front up and pop the flap down inside like so up to the back of the flower. And there is your gorgeous cute gift card holder. So without further ado, let me show you how to create this fabulous gift. Okie dokie, so to get started you will need a piece of card that will measure 6 inches by 8 inches, and I have chosen this gorgeous floral to make my little purse, and it is from the Craft Sensation Florals and Basics cardstock, and it is 200 GSM, and it is ideal for making the little purse. So that is some of the lovely papers in this pad. So on the 8-inch side we want to score first of all at 2 1/4 and then 5 3/4. Okay, then turn it on to our short side, so on the 6-inch side, and we want to score first of all at 2 1/2 inches and then 3 1/2 inches. Okay, so what we are going to do is fold and burnish all of our score lines like so. It's a really pretty paper, I love this. Next what we want to do is on the 8-inch side is fold this flap in, and on the other flap you either want to put some double-sided tape or some glue along the edge here and just bring it over and glue it to this side here. Then once we've done that, just sort of come back in and give your fold lines a good crease. Okay, so next what you want to do is cut yourself a piece of paper that measures 3 1/4 inches by 2 inches, and all I've done is taken my corner rounder and rounded my corners, and what I'm going to do is just pop this onto the inside like so. Okay, so I'm just going to sit that in to the card and leave a little border around. Now that is just so I can write a little message in there. Okay, next what you want to do is cut yourself a piece of card and measure that at 3 1/2 inches by 2 inches, and what you want to do is score at 1/2 inch. And what we are going to do is this will become the top of your bag, like so. Yeah. So what you want to do is, with your 1/2 inch piece that you've just turned over, pop some glue and stick it down. So that will be stuck down like that. Okie dokie. But what I'm doing is I've taken myself a doily, and these are Dovecraft round doilies. And what I'm going to do with mine is I've measured it out and I've cut it at 2 inches. I've scored it 1/2 inch, and what I'm going to do is pop that like that. So this will be cut off and that will be stuck onto the back. And also I will trim the overhang on the sides. So if we do that next, so you can either, if you've got a doily or something you would like to make your flap with, you know, do that. If not, just a piece of plain card and cut it down to 3.5 by 2.5, scored 1/2 inch, fold it over and stick the 1/2 inch tab down to your bag at the back like that. So it'll look like that. So I'll do that off camera and then I'll be back. Okie dokie, so I've just popped my glue on and I'm going to line that up now at the back. Just move it across slightly so it's just coming exactly at my fold line, and I will take a look in there like so and just stick this down like that. Okie dokie, got a fair bit messier. So I've cut out a little flower from my Crafter's Companion die. So I've done 2 in pink and 1 in the burgundy colour. And what I want to do is just layer those up one on top of the other. This one I've just gone around in my hand just to give it a little bit of a lift, and I'm going to glue that onto the back, onto the top, sorry, of the flat one, and I'm just going to offset that slightly. Then I'm going to do the same with the little pink one. I'm just going to pop that and glue it on top of the burgundy one. Okay, so this is going to be the closure on the bag, and this little piece will just tuck inside here. So what I want to do is, I've got myself some brads, and I just want to grab a pokey tool. I don't want to move this because I've got it exactly where I want. Separate your front and back piece. You don't want it to go through to the back. Grab my little brad and I will pop that through there and then through that piece there and just open it up. A little bit fiddly. Okay, that will open up like that inside there. And then what I want to do, just to keep it closed more securely, what I want to do is just take a couple of my little magnets. Now be careful if you do decide to use magnets. Not everyone can actually use magnets. I've just used my little circle punch and I've cut out a circle. Okay, so I've covered my 2 magnets here. And what I want to do is pop one onto the top of there. I've cut one onto the top of there, and I'm just using my Collal glue because that has a nice strong bond. So dabbed a little bit just onto the top there, and I'm just going to pop that at the top here like that. Leave that one to set. Then this one will be hidden under the back of here. So I've stuck my magnet on with my Collal glue. I've placed that one on the top, and then what I want to do is just a little dab of glue on that piece there like that. Stick my little bit onto the top like so. Leave that to set, and then what I'm going to do is stick that down inside the flower. Okay, so I'm just taking my Crafter's Companion glue and I'm just popping a tad on the top there, and I'm going to leave it stuck on there. Bring this over and around like so, and stick that to my flower. Just hold that like that, and then you know you're getting it in the right place if you line it up with the magnet that you already have on. So I'll just leave that to stick. Just while that's setting, what you want to do is take some cord and make that 1 inch wide by 6 inches, fold it in half, and you could score at 1/4 of an inch and stick the two pieces together, and then you will end up with a piece like that. Bend it round, going to pop that just onto the back of my bag like that. Okay, so the next bit is optional. I've just taken a length of this lovely chain and I'm just using my Crafter's Companion Collal glue, and I'm just popping a little dab on each of the little flowers, and I'm just popping it over my handle. I've popped it over the top of the handle, and I just think that finishes that nicely. And then all I'm going to do is just stick those onto the back like that. So I will take my Collal glue and stick this down. And I'm going with something like that. So I'll just pop it on this one here. Take it to my bag, and I'm just going to line that up just on the edge of the back piece like that. Then all that leaves me to do is I've popped my glue on the other side, and I'm just going to bring that round and stick that one down as well. So whenever I use magnets, I always like to cover them over and make sure that they are stuck down securely. I have done the same with the one under there. So all that leaves me to do now is pop my gift card in to the little pocket, pop that up and around, and then tuck that inside, and the two magnets will just meet perfectly. And how gorgeous is that? A beautiful gift card holder in the style of a little purse. I absolutely love it, and it is wonderful. So when you open it up, all you will do is pop your hand underneath like so. The magnets will pull away, and then inside it will reveal your lovely gift card. And then to close it back up, you will just pop it like so and underneath. And isn't it absolutely gorgeous? So I hope you have enjoyed my video today, and I hope I've also given you some inspiration to create your cute gift card holder in the style of a purse for Mother's Day. If I have, would you please consider giving me a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel? I will be ever so grateful for this. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back with another video in the meantime. Happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care. See you all soon, and bye bye for now.